I don't really know Birdie, but I know he's put a few videos on Facebook. He's been trained like an animal.
Well, he's been trained by Dean Croft, who I know sets a very, very high standard. But also Mick Fox is fit as well, so it'll be a cracking fight.
Hey, look at them, they're both in good shape, aren't they, really?
Great shape.
I think we'll know a lot from 30 seconds what's going to happen, you know what I mean? See how it goes. This is one of the main fights I look forward to on the card, these two guys here.
Yeah, it has the recipe for has the ingredients for a great fight, this. But saying that, Didi, all the fights have been really good up to now.
Yeah,
great
good,
fight.
yeah.
Really going at it, these two.
Foxes, just look at that.
Straight right hand.
The power.
By Fox.
I won't be eating too many of them, like. No. Oh, it's standing count now, I think, is it? No, no, it ain't. He's winding that right hand up.
Right
Winding it.
With a
Dropped him. Very
powerful lads, both lads are very, very strong here.
I've been told from quite a lot of people you will not be seeing Foxy gas tonight.
No, he's very, very fit.
I mean, you know him quite well, don't you? Birdie coming back here, look.
Yeah. Great shots by both fighters there. Foxy having a bit of success with the 1-2, but Birdie showing good heart and strength. He's strong lad.
How will fit him in here with that big heart of his, look at this. What a fight. Oh my days.
These two really, really are going at it.
But we had like a minute and a half fight at night already, this, without a doubt. This is unreal. Look at that. Oh my days. Oh, he's wound that up, look at that.
Oh, he's come back and pretty there, but whoa,
good combo.
Great shot.
What a round,
yeah, absolute. Total toe-to-toe fighting there. Credit to both fighters.
I don't even know how to score that.
That reminded me of a Hagler Hearns.
Yeah,
the fight, the punches. Oh,
Foxy was just winding that right hand. He was getting it, wasn't he?
Yeah. Left up there by Birdie, and a straight right by Foxy.
I've stopped scoring it because this is just crazy.
Yeah. Is that? I didn't actually see what happened there.
I think he'll let him carry on. It's a bit of a trip as well as
they need to be boxing.
Oh, what a comeback!
Yeah. They're both super fit, these two lads.
That Birdie doesn't stop throwing, does he? He does not stop throwing. He's a maniac.
Yeah. Toe-to-toe war. Both extremely fit guys.
Oh, good shots.
Just got to show it's a brutal sport, this.
He stops it. The Birdie hanging off ropes, look. This is crazy, this.
Boom.
Foxy don't look like he's got much energy left now, does he?
No,
That was a birdie then, but then, look at him, he's just coming. Yo. Oh wow. What a shot.
Yeah.
Right on the feet here, aren't they?
Wow. What's the boxing match this is?
Well, if this goes another round, this is fighting them out, without a doubt.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. They haven't stopped throwing. They haven't stopped throwing.
Absolute Ern-Zagler fight this.
It's been like...
Superb fight. Both guys showing really determination, strong determination.
Hey, referee, crazy. We've got to go easier on this, surely. Started off where they left off, look.
Yeah, they're starting up exactly where they left off.
This is crazy, good right.
Yeah.
Oh, good right. Man.
Strong lad is Birdie, though. He comes out with the left jab there.
Up. You've got your entrance for here, haven't you? Fucking hell. Oh my days. He looked out of it in the middle of the second round, didn't he? Fox is just coming back.
Credit to both the fitnesses here.
Oh, Birdie,
lasting at this pace.
Oh, fit he look. He hasn't stopped swinging, you know what I mean? From the first second. Look at this, man.
Oh, what a shot. Straight right on there by Alfie Fox. But John Bird's so strong.
What, 15 seconds left? 10 seconds left. Wow. Tick
Blow for blow. Both throwing. Wow, what a fight. Unbelievable.
Look at him there, Judge is just shaking his head how good that was. Standing the both in there. Say it, man, both deserve to finish there.
Well, standing ovation,
definitely.
Standing ovation there by the crowd.
I don't think there should be a decision called here.
No.
No points, no winners.
A draw?
Maybe, yeah, it'd be a fair result, wouldn't it? Who gets the bigger trophy if it's a draw? Yeah. How many take them right hands? What a fight, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to entertain? A round of applause for